What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again today. So today we're going to be doing something, it's not makeup themed, but it is like beauty themed. We are going to be installing hair extensions. I wanted to install or put in, tape hair. Why can't I talk today? Okay. So I wanted to put in some tape-ins in my hair. I've had them in before. I've had, a full set for length. I recently have been liking, to just put them right here to fill in these pieces. And that's like for volume and like a little bit of length right there, but I'm not making the length of my hair longer. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Mine's just like an old set that I had cleaned and retaped, and let me tell you, it is hell on earth to clean hair extensions and get all that sticky stuff on your hands. I have a few cuts on my fingers, and you're dipping, like the remover to get it off is basically alcohol. And like I had mine in a bowl and I was dipping and like rubbing it, and I mean I got it done, but it was hard. Anyways though, if you are doing this, like mine are already cut, they are custom done to match my hair. On camera, they don't look like they match very well, but they're not like the perfectest match because I haven't had my hair done in a very long time. I'm gonna deal with it. I don't know how long I plan on having these in. I don't think they'll last in my hair very long because I don't know the quality of the tape that I got. I just went to Sally's and I got it. And B, these are like super old extensions. They've been put in and out of my hair maybe like 3 or 4 times. This might be the 5th time. I have my hair parted like the way that I like to part it. I sometimes will part it, down the middle, but that won't make a difference because I won't be putting any extensions that high up in my head anyways. But anyways, I have it parted the way that I normally would part it, and I'm gonna go, I have my mirror right here, which is why I keep looking that direction, but I am gonna go from like the back part of my crown down. Okay, so we have like this nice, hopefully it's okay, and I'm going to put the rest of my hair up, out of the way. I might do a little less just so that I'm able to see it. Okay. Alright, so after I have this part of my hair sectioned out, I'm now going to go in. So see, this is my normal length, and this is where I want to add in the tape ends. But I'm going to need this part because I want to put some back there just to help blend it together, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm going to take it and section off like this. Seems good enough to me. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 2 on this side and 3 on this side because this is my heavier side anyways. And I might actually want to put them a little higher up. It's very crucial to have clean part lines, like as clean as you can get it, that's what you need. Alright, so that is going to be good. I'm not going to be, don't put it too close to your hairline. So I'm going to section this out of the way. Here I am talking about clean part lines and mine's like a mess. Section this out of the way. You are just going to be taking a super thin piece of hair. Alright, so like, see this thin. So I got the extension on my finger. I am going, so I'm just placing the extension and then putting the hair down over the top of it. And I'm putting it like right there at my root because I don't want it to grow out too fast. So I got the first initial extension down. I'm taking the next one, and all you're going to do is sandwich it over the top of the other extension. And that's that. Okay, let some more hair down. So instantly, I mean that like already fills in a lot. I know it's not the exact shade, but y'all, I'm sorry. Oops, my little one came out. It's because this is where I don't want to clip any extensions in because I pulled my hair back, so you don't want to see that, if that makes sense. You don't want to see the extension when you pull your hair back. So I'm going to part this a little more up. There we go. Alright, so there's my other one. Try and make it as clean as you can. very thin sections. Peel the tape off. Okay. So now I'm taking the other one, peeling the tape off, and I'm just putting it right over the top of the other one. I got my straightening iron turned on. I'm just going to mesh all this hair together by straightening it. Yeah, so that is pretty much it for that side. As you can see, this side just looks fuller as opposed to this. Alright, we are going to go ahead and move on to the other side. Alright, so same thing with the other side. I'm taking from the crown of my head down. And I'm going to put this other hair away. Just put it up in a ponytail, out of the way. Okay, so now it's time to decide where to section my front bang out so it doesn't get any extension part in it. So I'm just gonna go all the way down my hairline to the front of my hair. So I don't want any extension in this part or right here. Y'all, I'm gonna look crazy for a minute. Okay, and I'm actually gonna section off this a little bit more. I don't want any extension in like all right there. Just like not like straight, but it's a clean part. Okay, so now I have all this hair right here to work with. So this is just a really thin section. I actually could go thinner than this right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just try and skiff some off the top. Okay, so I kind of split that section in half. Now I'm gonna take my thing, take the tape off, and go ahead and lay it right up under this thin strip of hair that I got. Okay, now I'm gonna take the other one and we are just gonna lay it directly over the top to sandwich it. Alright. So yeah, that like just instantly, ouch. I just love how instantly it just like fills in and gives you volume, and it's amazing. And it looks so natural. If it's just a little bit closer to my normal shave, then it would be better, but what else? Drop a little bit more hair down. Alright, so let's see. So I got this really thin piece and I'm going to go in and try and make it even thinner. Just because the less hair you have in there, the better, because there obviously is a risk of it breaking, especially if you don't take care of it. You need to be really careful shampooing if you have these in your hair, brushing your hair, pulling it back. Yeah, really just about doing almost anything with these in. You have to be more gentle. So I'm just pressing that. Gonna sandwich it now. Alright. Yeah, so already like that's great. And I'm gonna do one about right there. Just like the volume that it gives and like the fullness, you know. I'm a hair picker, I am a split end picker, and this obviously doesn't solve the issue, but it literally helps because there's stuff in the way, so I can't pick my natural hair so much. Now I'm gonna sandwich, and that's gonna be it. Okay. gonna straighten this part of my hair so they all mesh together. Alright, so that is it. I have my hair extensions in. You can see them right there. There's one. I mean, it's like really easy and you guys can do it at home yourself. Obviously, I couldn't do it like all the way in the back. I feel like I probably could if I had the patience and if I wanted to, which I have thought about doing. I watched one of Jenna Marbles YouTube videos on her doing it to herself, and it's actually kind of what gave me the idea to put mine back in. So yeah, it just adds in all the fullness that I desire right there, and they're still like a little bit layered just because I did stack them in the way that I put them. This is little short hairs, and this is the extension. These things curl good, like shampoo, blow dry, they stay in your hair until they grow out. If you guys want the video on how I get them out myself here at home, comment down below and I will do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys got something from it and learned a little bit from it. I definitely did, and I'm really happy that these pups are back in my hair. So thank y'all for watching. Better subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.